What you're going to need is some organic honey, just a spoonful, and you're going to add that to your hot bath water and just give that a few strokes and then let it dissolve in the water. Next, you're going to add 2 cups of whole milk or any kind of milk you'd like. Next, you'll add 2 scoops of powdered milk. Here I have powdered goat milk. This is extra soothing on the skin. Then you'll just want to stroke the water a couple times and mix that through. Now I'm adding about a cup of lavender scented Epsom salt. This is a good stress reliever. Then I have this Marilyn Monroe champagne scented bubble bath. You could add fresh roses. I have freezer dried rose petals from previous roses I have. I usually save them in the freezer, so I'll just sprinkle this throughout my bath water. Rose petals are actually very beneficial to the skin. They add moisture and make your skin nice and smooth, and it also gives it a little extra touch to the detailing of the bath. Then for the bathroom floor, I just like to add these fake rose petals that I picked up from Walmart. To set that relaxing ambiance vibe, I'm lighting this pink rose water and fresh ivy scented incense. And then I'll be lighting this rose quartz infused candle. Now it's time to enter your milk and honey bath water and awaken your Egyptian goddess within.